Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our ratio adventure. Now today we are going to unlock the magic of equivalent ratios. Don't worry, this is gonna be super easy, super fun, and you will walk away feeling like a ratio star. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever new video comes up. Then also don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, let's dive right into our agenda for today. In today's math class, we are going to learn how to understand equivalent ratios and how to find them. Then secondly, we are going to learn how to multiply or divide both parts of the ratios by the same number. Then we are going to learn and practice exercises on how to find equivalent ratios, and then we will review. Okay, the question is, what are equivalent ratios? Now think of them like twins with different outfits. They look different, but underneath they are the same. Just like 1 to 2 equals to 2 to 4, the ratio of 2 to 3 is equivalent to 4 to 6 or 6 to 9. It's the same relationship, just scaled up or down. And take note, anything equivalent means equal in English. So when I say 1 over 2 equals 2 over 4, it means 1 over 2 is equivalent to 2 over 4. Or if I say 2 to 3 is equivalent to 4 to 6, it means 2 to 3 is equal to 4 to 6. Okay, now here's a magic trick. Now to find an equivalent ratio, you just multiply or divide both parts of the ratio by the same number, like this. Start with let's go to our board. Okay, now we are going to start with 2 to 3. Now we multiply both parts by 2. 2 to 3 is also written like this, so we multiply both parts by 2, like this and like this, and boom, 2 times 2 is equals to 4, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Now this means that 2 ratio 3 is equivalent to 4 ratio 6 or 4 to 6. Okay, let's try another example again. Okay, same, we are still going to use 2 ratio 3. We are going to multiply both sides by 3. If you multiply both sides by 3, 2 times 3 is equals to 6, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. That means 2 ratio 3 is also equals to 6 ratio 9. It's easy, right? Okay, let's go back to our slide. Okay, now don't fall into the trap. You can't just change one part of the ratio. That's like putting on one shoe or leaving the other foot bare. Now ratio only stay equivalent when you treat both sides equally. Be fair to both numbers. Okay, so if you're multiplying by 2, make sure you multiply the numerator and also the denominator by 2. If you're multiplying by 3, you multiply the denominator and also the numerator by 3. Okay, let's go into the next slide. Okay, all right, let's flex those brain muscles. Now try finding 2 ratio or 2 equivalent ratio for each of these: 3 to 2, 3 to 5, 4 to 6, and 7 to 2. Pause the video, grab a pencil, and give it a go. I believe in you. Okay, time is up. Let's see how you did. So 3 to 5, you could have multiplied 2 and 3, which will give you 6 to 10, 9 to 15. Then 4 to 6, easy, to give you 8 to 12 or 12 to 18. Then you say 7 to 2, which is going to give you 14 to 4 or 21 to 6. If you got them right, high five through the screen. Okay, so yes, what we've learned today: equivalent ratios are like best friends, always sticking together in the same way. Just multiply or divide both parts and you are golden. And hey, the more you practice, the more powerful your math brain becomes. Okay, you have crushed it today. Next time we will be comparing ratios and leveling up even more. So if this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss a single math adventure. Until next time, stay sharp and stay curious. Thank you and bye.